one of the things I really try to convey is just how interested I am in this particular field and how much I enjoy it. And I would say particularly the possibilities for students who are coming out who are going to work in this area. There's so much happening with strategic communication, and it's so central to so many different fields. In fact, that's one of the things our students, I think, both celebrate but also struggle with is they've got so many options. And I see it as part of my job to help them understand what those options are and help them start to think about where they might best fit in. I love being the first person to talk to them about things that they've grown up with, certainly especially advertising that they're used to, but now they're coming at from the perspective of a professional who really needs to understand the nuances and how it works. And I love getting to have that chance and seeing them start to make some of those connections. So the creative strategy then is the blueprint that will lay out what those ideas are. I have loved the students here at Kentucky. Here, we get such a great mix of students. The university as a whole, the first-gen students, I've had some great first-gen students. The kids who are coming both from rural Kentucky, but then also from the more urban areas in Kentucky. It's just such a great mix of kids, and they love the university so much, which to me, again, I feel that more strongly here than any of the other places that I have had the opportunity to teach. And then the other thing is I've gotten to teach study abroad. And that's just such a different relationship that you can then build with the students. And so to be recognized with this award that started with a student's nomination, but at a place where I've had so many fantastic students and I have so many just really nice memories both in the classrooms here on campus, but particularly with study abroad, it means the world to me. It really does.